Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and in this episode, we're going to talk about Bitcoin recovery and Ethereum all-time high. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and you have any suggestions for us, please leave a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be updated with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe. Hit that like button, hit that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, to join us on the Discord, link is going to be going out throughout the stream. You can also join us on Twitter. The link to Twitter is in the description, and it might also be going out throughout the stream, right? So that being said, let me pin this message. We were supposed to pin him. Alex HD is watching on Twitch. Awesome, Alex. Thanks for being here, man. Alex has been helping us with, having the thumbnails for this awesome streams, and I'm hoping we're not going to crash today, because that'll be bad. I reset everything. I even reset my PC, reset the internet routers. Hopefully I won't crash today. With that in mind, let's pin that message. So, bring facts in the house. What is up? Amanda says, wake up the dog. No, bro. I mean, dude, I have to open a door. He has to come in. Then he has to go out. Then I have to close the door. Like, if I make too much noise, the kids are going to wake up. That's why I don't want to wake up the dog. Because if the dog starts walking right now, my daughter's going to get out of bed. And it's going to be a mess. That's why I usually just don't want to get the dog to be, like, you know, walking around the house at this hour. At least until they're well asleep. We're all gamers. Hey, mate. Bring facts with the beer. Awesome. Oh, John. I would have bought it yesterday. Confused face. Awesome, John Lopez. Thank you very much for being here. Is that not going out? Oh, there we go. Legendary, man. That is awesome. Thank you very much for that kind donation, man. I really, really appreciate that. Let me get my notebook, because I forgot to bring out my notebook where I keep my, you know, crypto requests and everything that we do here on the stream, man. So I can write it down. So you said Wi-Fi. All right, we're going to get Wi-Fi on that list, right? Right after Ethereum. We're going to get Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then we'll do Wi-Fi, right? That's going to be the first coin before we go into this other stuff. Since Bitcoin and Ethereum are in the title, I got to do those first. Philip, what is up? Brent is in the house. All right. I'm populating the list here in my notebook, right? So I know what I got to go over. It's not a long list, so you write them down in the same order. I should already have this down by the time the stream starts. Today, I forgot to grab that notebook. There we go. Right on. So let's look at market cap first. Where the market cap at in the daily? It gained. Market went up 4.71% today, trying to go up a little more, 0.50. Yeah, not too bad. We had a recovery day. Not really getting to all-time highs. About getting to the same all-time high almost. Yeah, so same all-time high closing now, which is not that bad. With that said, let's check out the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin dominance. Where's it at? 44.27. It's losing dominance. Yesterday it lost 2.96% market cap to gaining 0.06. But again, at 44.27, it's just been losing consistently. It is fine. Bitcoin price at $57,072. Again, recovery, right? We did have bullish divergence, remember? What is happening here with this other Bitcoin chart? I'll show you real quick. We went down, then we had our, areas of, take profit if you want to take profit. And we tried to go back to that 786. We didn't reach that, right? That's at 60,454. But we did go down, found support at 332, and we're trying to bounce back up again. We do have 50 days. We had this one's out for a while. We just haven't been referencing this chart that often. Hype horn, yep. Gas shortage. Oh man. Philip says dot. Sure, man. Let's put dot on the list. Andrews and Kishu. Sure, man. Ah, it's troll coin. Precisely that, man. Alex, troll is troll coin. John Pridgeon in the house. What is up, bro? Right on. Let's keep rolling because someone donated for us to do a coin. I gotta start moving. Oh, Erdak, sorry, man. I missed your CKV. Putting on the list. There we go. All right, so bearish divergence, action down, on Bitcoin. We did move down, found support at 55,406. Remember, we talked about that area yesterday, and the fact that we wanted to be above it. We are above that 20 still, which is fine. which barely briefly a week below, but we managed to hold support at 54,000. I even talked about if we dropped that area, we could see 52,119, right? We didn't drop, which is fine. Neutral right now. We're neutral at 51.53 on the RSI. On the 4-hour, Bitcoin had that bearish divergence, dropped, didn't create anything bullish, right? Low to high, negative, or low to high here also. And that account will go on high to low. Right, high to low, nothing bearish right now. We're hitting that 20, we're rejecting it. And that rejection, we might find some trouble, right? It's not there yet, but really want to get above this 20 moving average, and we want to see this basically use that as support and try to move back up again, right? AMP is back above 7 cents. All right, awesome. Neutral 50.56. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, high to low, low to high, low to high. Bullish divergence. Remember, we had that one last night as we were live here at 9 p.m. Look at what happened afterwards, right? Pumped back, pumped up. So nice. Bullish divergence coming into play. We have created some hidden bearish, and that already played out here a little bit to here. Moved down. Now we're creating strong bearish on the shorter term. And that's probably also going to bring more action to downside here. And look at this, right? Low to high, and then here we're high to low also, right? So against the RSI, we could just go to there. That's one straight line. It would be one line like that, and then here to here, right? That's what I'm looking at on the corn, right? Short-term strong bearish divergence against the MACD, right? Now, is that bearish divergence going to move us down? Not yet sure. This was the resistance that we had to break. We broke it, which is fine, right? Now our resistance, our support, it's looking like this. If we move down and we hold on to the support, we're gonna be good. If we break that support again, short-term bearish divergence or short-term bearish sentiment in the market, right? That's what we're looking for. That's it. We're neutral, 57.34. Cream, sure, man. Let's go down the list. Putting here on the list, right? Right. So, Cream. Sorry, Bitcoin. Trying to hold here. We're just gonna test support. We'll see where it goes, right? Again, guys, if you like what we do, hit the like, hit the bell, hit that sub. We are neutral 57.03. Let's go check out Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily. Right, look at this. Coming up higher, right? Well, no, we don't have that. We already talked about this. We no longer have this divergence on Ethereum. We are testing all-time highs, and I do believe we might be trying to push for new all-time highs today on Ethereum, right? We'll see. We'll see if Ethereum can get above that. We already hit 4,200, and I believe Ethereum is going to have a really good shot of trying to get above that level. Sorry, guys, one quick second. Right. Leonel, hey, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here.
What's up?
Right, so we just bought it at 63. Sorry, at 83.63. So Ethereum again, trying to go higher, trying to go to all-time highs. Very possible. Very nice recovery in Ethereum. Same thing, bullish divergence. We managed to hold to that 3618. Let's go on the 4 hour. We had the hidden bullish divergence yesterday here. It did manage to still close slightly higher, holding on to that 20, which was nice, right? Held at 20 as support. We're getting that bounce again, retesting all-time highs already on this 4 hour candle. We are bought at 67.41, and that all it's doing right now, it's starting to create this divergence against the RSI. Strong bearish. You would also have it against the MACD, but against the MACD, still not yet Still not yet confirmed, right? We're going from a positive momentum to a negative momentum. We want to go to a positive momentum for us to say, yo, we have that bearish divergence. So that's why I believe it could still do all-time highs. It could probably hit that 4618, and that'll be a very, very nice area for Ethereum to go. And that would be at, around 4,278 more or less. So let's go to the 1 hour. Bitcoin Fight Club, just saying, hey, thank you for being here, man.
What's up?
So what do we have here on Ethereum like yesterday? Look, 10 p.m. on our revisit. Same divergence, hidden bullish, action upside. Remember, a lot of crypto had hidden bullish. We talked about that. We talked about the fact that a lot of crypto had hidden bullish. That we could see potential action to the upside. And it was not the only project that had it. A lot of projects had it on the 4 hour. A lot of projects had it on the 1 hour. So look at this. Coming up higher still. We're actually closed at 4,200. Not once, twice, 3 times almost hit it. Not in this hour though, but I do believe this hour could probably lead us to all-time highs. We're going to see that. We're going to see that, man, in a second. 1893. 21. It's going higher. We don't have that divergence here against the MACD against the RSI. We do have it. It's clear. And it's just bought at 65.55. Again, Ethereum, potential for action to the upside, still a little bit more, and we can still have that divergence. Look at that, 4,200. Are we going to go to all-time highs? Oh, no, it's rejected. Rejected, man. It's cents off, dude. I know Wi-Fi got requested. I will do it right after this one. I'll do it right after this one. Thank you very much for that kind donation, John Lopez. And we'll check it out in a second, man. I'm really trying to see whether or not we're just going to go to all-time highs right now. Because as soon as I leave this chart, I think it's going to go to all-time highs. We're like 45 cents away. Right, I'm not going to waste time with it. We'll come back. I just wicked it. It's just teasing me. Look at it. As soon as I open this, like, again, 4,200. Come on, Ethereum. You can break it. There it goes. There it goes. It broke it. New all-time high for Ethereum. There we go. Let's go to Wi-Fi. Let's go on the daily. We haven't looked at Wi-Fi in a while, man. Right. So the first things I'm noticing is here in the short term, we had bearish divergence right here and here. Got us to move down. On the larger time frame, which is where I'm anchoring to, this would be 81, 12, 94. This is going slightly higher. Here we're definitely overbought, and we're coming back to just bought, right? That's 70.28, and this 69.56. So overbought to bought, right? Again, bearish divergence strong. I don't think it's going to play. I do believe we can see a rally happening still and getting rid of this divergence. I'm just going to leave it here because it's happening right now on the daily, but that's about it. Again, I'm not going to put a lot of, weight on it. It's just, it's there. Let's just acknowledge it and move on. I do believe we can go higher and negate it. That's why I want to get a tablet that I can write here with, just be able to cross and chart, and then I can just do like boom, a small cross and then point to the upside, and we'll know that we're still looking for a push to happen here. Wi-Fi double I. Oh, it was not the all right. So the other one, I don't think I have Wi-Fi with one eye. I think I just have that one. Here it is. Wi-Fi. Here we go. All right, let's do this one. Let's Wi-Fi with one eye, not two eyes. Low to high, low to high, and low to high. Nothing here that is bearish. Last thing we had was this hidden bullish. Sorry about that, man. Let's move on to this one. This is the one we want to do. Thanks for letting me know. And we're just overbought at 81.42. So again, potential fraction to the downside and the fact that we're overbought. Just not Not seeing any kind of divergence for this move down. It's getting some pullback. It did hit a high of 95,665. Not too bad. Right, so let's go to the 4 hour. Low to high, low to high, low to high. Here again, just some bearish divergence happening here. For that action downside, after that, I mean, it really does not matter. We just went insanely high. Right. So this is what I'm looking at right now. Hidden bullish divergence for that potential action to upside. And that's what's getting us to go up here on Wi-Fi. So we're starting to go up again. Overbought at 81.21. And let's go to the 1 hour chart. We're just overbought at 75.60. Nothing bearish here though, right? It's going higher, higher, and higher still. Everything here is looking good. Low, lower, negative, more negative, and low, low still. That's it for this, man. Again, the Wi-Fi, I'm not seeing anything here that is bearish. It's highly overbought. It hasn't created any bearish divergence. It can still pump a little bit more, create some bearish divergence, and then move back down. Let's go check the ETH. Let's see where it's at. There it goes. It's breaking it finally, beautifully, and heading to the target that we have. So nice on Ethereum to run. Let's check Binance. Be right back, guys. The wife stepped outside for a bit and the daughter's crying, so I'm gonna be right back.
What's up?
Oh, Brent has Coin. Awesome. I did say, Jeff, what's up? And Hotboxing, how's it going? And then after that, I didn't read anything else. Sorry about being muted. Thanks for letting me know. All right, so Binance hitting the same area here that we had, right? High to low and high to low. We're creating medium bearish divergence. I don't want to call it yet. We're going to start creating strong bearish divergence if we go higher. But it's what we have, and we still have the whole day to go, right? So I'm just going to draw it because it's there, but I would be a little bit reserved. You can still pump and then create some strong bearish divergence, anchoring from a positive momentum to a less positive momentum area. We're going to see how this is going to go, right? It's just bought at 63.45 again. I'm not betting on the market to go down right now. High to low, briefly, high to low, and high to low. Just bought at 61.29 again. we're going hidden bullish, and that's what's helping us pump. Here on the 1 hour chart, high to low, low to high, right? Creating some of that hidden bearish divergence. Moved down, hit that 20, and then popped. That's okay. We not scared. I might have forgotten to anchor on the 4 hour, man. I don't think it drew anything on the 4 hour. But nothing against the RSI, right? Hidden bearish, move down, pumping on that, and creating strong bearish divergence as we're going higher, right? Look, we're coming up higher. Coming high to low. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD, and with that, strong bearish divergence for potential action downside. If that moves down, gonna hit that 20 moving average, and that is at $664. And somebody says, what am I talking about? Still doing okay. Let's go ETH. Yes, let's go ETH. Again, bought at 62.80. That's it for Binance. Not looking too bad. Let's go to LiteCoin and see how the LiteCoin is doing. Right. LiteCoin on the daily, right? We didn't have anything bearish up to here. That's fine. Now we're going sideways, coming down and coming down, creating some of that medium bearish divergence right now. We're just going sideways here on the price. And we're coming high to low and high to low here as well, right? We're bought at 71.15. It's about 8. I mean, like I said, it could go higher, and then we'll be anchoring to a less positive momentum island here, or bar, column, whatever you want to call it. And now we're going to start creating that bearish divergence that we're looking for potential moving down again. On the 4 hour chart, we're looking for this hidden divergence. We still got it. Played us to the upside, high to low, positive to negative, and high to low. Neutral 59.20 can still go on running on the 4 hour. And on the 1 hour chart, right? On the 1 hour chart, we have this hidden bullish, right? We called this one out yesterday. This was 9 p.m. We just didn't revisit, but you know, it created it and started to run on that. High to low, positive was positive. High to low, we're just bought at 63.97. Nothing bearish right now. LiteCoin can keep on running, and that's why I said that I don't believe the daily is going to push us down right now, because on the 1 hour and the 4 hour and a lot of these coins, we could still run, right? There's still room for us to keep on going higher. Will Ethereum drop after a majestic pump? I want to buy dip. Oh, bro, I'm not sure if it's going to drop right now, Tony Paquette. Thank you very much for asking. Even when he steps away, he still does better TA and a lot of other, yeah. Thanks, man, I appreciate that. I wish more people would find that and come over to hang out with us. That'll be awesome, right? If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub, right? Join us on Discord. Links are going out right now. Hit that like. We're lacking on the likes. We have 31 people watching, only 18 likes. Bearish divergence, action to downside, move down on that. We hadn't created anything here, right? We haven't created anything still. Just neutral, 48.83. It's just struggling. It's hitting that 20 again. I'm hoping that it gets above that 8.19 cent mark. Again, bearish divergence, move down on that. Nothing bullish. Nothing bullish. Everything's going lower. So, you know, recovering with the rest of the market, going for that 20 again. It's just following Bitcoin, right? RSR, we know that. We had that strong bullish divergence yesterday. We were pumping on that. High to low, positive was positive, and high to low. Neutral at 57.63. That is it for RSR. Unfortunately, not a lot, like I said. Hyperinflation isn't coming. It's here. Maybe. I'm more worried about the gas, or like Texas having no gas, or something like that. Some people have said there's gas shortages. If I only streamed on YouTube, my likes would go up and YouTube would push me harder. Last time I only went and streamed on YouTube, YouTube took my channel and I had to go find another house. Not complaining about it, but that's what happened. I focused only on YouTube, and you know, at first I was only on YouTube, and they took my channel, and I had to figure out a way to restream on other places. Then I came back and I was restreaming everywhere, and you know, as soon as I stopped doing that, they took the channel away again. So I'm not gonna risk it. You should add Doge to your crypto tip. There is a Doge to the crypto tip. You can do it on on Cointree. It just doesn't show on the stream though. Dollar sucks, right? Anyways, high to low, high to low, high to low. We are short term here. Some bearish divergence, I think. I'm just gonna check real quick. It's just very small term here. Bearish divergence. Strong for potential action to downside. That is it, dude. Neutral at 57.21. Let's go to dot. Where the dot at? High to low. Low to high as well, right? So what we're creating here is a lot of this hidden bearish divergence for potential action to downside. I forgot to anchor this one, so I have to clean it up right now. I'm gonna have to jump on the daily because I also started on the 1 hour. Lower, negative, more negative. We don't have anything bullish. We pump with the rest of the market. We're hitting that previous 100% high and trying to get above it, which is fine. But again, we're not running anything bullish. We're just hitting, hit bearish. Let's see if we can keep on pumping. Let's go to that daily. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish here. Neutral at 54.91. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. We're looking for that hidden bullish. We still got it yesterday, right? And with that action to the upside, and we started pumping that. That is fine. Hidden bullish divergence helping us to rally. Nothing bearish right now, at least not that I can see. Just neutral 56.13, and what we have in the 1 hour, right? That bearish divergence hidden that could bring some pressure on the price and maybe make us move down on dot. Let's go to Kishu now. Where did we find Kishu yesterday? Was it here on Dex Guru? I think it was here that we looked at it. Kishu. You have an issue? Here's the Kishu coin. You're complaining to Kishu. All right, so the chart's not loading. And we had this problem yesterday here with Kishu. Yeah, it's not loading. We had to go somewhere else to find it. I remember. Let's look for Kishu. Oh, this is another duck coin. That's why it's pumping, right? Because it's a duck coin. Duck coins are the hype now. If you're named after a dog, you're gonna pump. We should all make dog coins. I'm not gonna be able to chart this. I don't think we were able to chart this yesterday, were we? Oh, man. No. I guess we're starting to see what's happening with retail, right? Y'all remember in retail, when there's something hot comes out, bots just go out and snipe all the prices and all the products. That's what's starting to happen with crypto, right? Bots are going in and sniping all the small coins. People are getting smart. It just sucks that there's no way that you can stop them from doing that. It's I'm not sure, Andrew, dude. It's let's go on the daily and see what's happening. It seems to be flatlining right now on the 4 hour. On the daily, we don't have a lot of data. It did pump quite a bit. It did crash massively yesterday. Again, today moving a bit, and then already tomorrow we're starting to open up a bit green. Not too bad. It's just not what I would be expecting to see here. So we're not going to find any data here on the MACD or the RSI. It's no point in bringing them out for this charts here. The 1 hour chart might have stuff that we can look at. And I even doubt it. Maybe the RSI only will play. So you're going to let me put the MACD. See, the MACD is not there yet. Right, we don't have enough data for the MACD. I want to close this. It's not letting me. All right, cool. So let's go with the. So let me bring it one indicator. Let's get the RSI. All right, low to high. There's nothing happening here. Neutral 42.96 again. It like a lot of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, I think, and then 10,899. So 0.7 zeros and then $10,899. That's how much it is worth. Very little. But again, one of those coins that if it goes up anything, you'll be getting some good dough, right? At first GPUs, yeah. When buy DVD, I know. Can actually bit so because you won't see the dollar. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Girl, cat eat coin to the moon. No, I never heard of that one. Andrew, dude, I'm not finding a lot for Kishu, dude. I think we might have done it here. And I think it had more data. I was just reading everything at 0, right? So yeah, here we have more data. Just stuff is floating in the middle of nowhere. It pumped 239% today, Andrew. It's doing good. Again, getting some pullback happening here. Quite a bit of pullback. So the other chart, sorry, that's the weekly, the daily again. Looking a little bit more like what we had in the other chart. Some nasty pullback. It's doing okay. Getting 2.16% right now. After pumping, I'm not sure how much, because it's not letting me know. Don't tell me. It doesn't read, dude. It doesn't say 2.16. That's all it reads, man. And here it just reads 0. So let's go to that 4-hour chart again. Dude, nothing bearish. And then on the 1-hour chart, last thing we had, I think, was this hidden bullish here. For some reason it's short, but it should have gone like that. Hidden bullish for potential action depths, and then this shifted. It's weird, man. That's fine, I guess. So we're stagnating and still below that 20, right? So we're trying to break above that 20. We're gonna see how that goes. Awesome. Felix Mart, what's up, dude? How's it going?
What's up?
Yeah, Ethereum's been going up like crazy. It's really bullish. I wouldn't bet against it right now. Jeff Loomis, big fan of the channel, bro. Thanks for being here. Much appreciated. And that's gonna be it for Kishu, man. Let's do CKB. You know, a lot of you guys are talking about all these projects that are listed on swaps or dexes, like, Pancake Swap and things like that. Like, as much as I want to buy that, I cannot bring myself to pay the outrageous Ethereum fees just so I can get into something. It's so insane how much it costs in Ethereum. So I gotta wait for it to be going on exchange and I can buy it. Am I letting go some money? Yeah, probably. But dude, paying an insane amount just so I'm able to get a coin that might or might not pump, because we don't know, right? It's a big gamble sometimes. It's just like not worth it in my book. I'd much rather wait for it to go somewhere. I'm not that deep yet, right? Where I'm hunting for those projects. Again, there's nothing wrong with that. Some guys are doing that and they're doing it profitably. For me, it's just not my cup of tea, right? I'm trying to find whatever I can on the exchange, or that's listed on some exchanges, however secure the exchange is. Just as long as I can get some of that without having to go through, Uniswap or Pancake Swap or whatever swap out there, right? Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I feel the same way, everything's right. Around me, man. What? Nick's in the house? Awesome. Never been here, Nick. Exchange have much lower fees, yeah. Yeah, this swaps and like dexes are weird, man. Yeah, right now it's cheaper to buy it on exchanges, and I guess that's the counter, right? Because you think about like an exchange is a centralized entity, right? You can get your accounts frozen by an exchange, etc. We cannot get them you cannot get them frozen on the swaps. However, you know, you have these issues where like all of a sudden the gas fees are insane and you cannot do anything like that, right? Umbrella, sure, man. The umbilical cord, we'll do it. UMB. Yeah. Yeah, viewership is down. We're about 29, 31. That's fine. Highest we got into was 35. It's okay. Again, hit the likes, guys. Come on, help out the channel. We are neutral 50.56. Not a lot happening here in the 1 hour. Let's go to that 4 hour chart. Low, lower, negative, less negative. All right. All right. So I'm looking at this, right? Low, lower, low. Have we not done this project in a while? It feels like we haven't done it in a while. Not that tool, man. We don't have it against the RSI, just against MACD. Strong bullish divergence. We took that very nice pop. Not creating anything bearish right now. On the short term here, this is very, very small there. It's going to be strong bearish divergence. If you don't want to call it strong bearish divergence, you can just say it's medium bearish divergence. Still bearish. Still bringing us down. Breaking below a 1618 and trying to pump back up. So that's fine. Neutral at 59.24. Let's go to the 1 hour. Sorry, the daily and see what we have, man. Yeah. So again, last thing we had here on the daily was the bullish divergence hidden. Took that very nice pop yesterday on the 10th. High to low, high to low, and high to low. Nothing bearish right now. Neutral 59.49. Again, very nice on this project. It's just getting some pullback and it's flagging a little bit. Probably for once again, it did hit that same 100% high again, right? Look at that. Boom. Very nice hit and then rejected. It's all good. It's all good. Let's go, before we move on to cream and umbilical cord, umbrella, whatever that coin is. Let's go check out ETH. What the heck is happening with ETH, man? Where's it at? It's pushing all-time highs, man. Ethereum pushing all-time highs, hitting target almost 4,279. After that, I don't have any more targets for Ethereum, bro. Very close to it. I'm happy. I hope you guys are happy. I'm excited for Ethereum, man. Next is Ethereum just hit 3,000. Awesome. Ethereum 3,000 on pounds. Nicholas B, what's up?
What's up?
Right, Ethereum about to hit our target, and then we'll figure out how we're gonna be on target into the upside because we're gonna run out of moves, man. We're gonna run out of moves, man. I'm gonna have to go to another Ethereum chart, find something clean, see if I can chart something here. I might have to play with some lines. Let's see this. Already hitting it, right? We're hitting it. Everything I draw, we're gonna be hitting. Oh, jeez. Go Ethereum, your number one holding. Awesome, dude. Too early, Nick. Too early. Again, small targets, right? Aim small, miss small. Consistent profit taken. That's what we're after. Let's go check out the cream. We haven't done the cream of the crop. I think cream just was requested on Binance. So I'm gonna have to do cream to the Binance dollar. All right. See that to be the low, that to be the high right there. And we're trying to hold on to that 618 and we're trying to bounce. That's fine. We did deep retrace, hit that 786 almost spot on. So that gives us some validity to our fibs, right? Hitting a spot on, using that as support, trying to move up, confirms our fibs and where we're at. Right, so high to low, low to high, hidden divergence. Here short term we had strong bearish divergence, right? So that means that we're gonna get that possibility for action to the downside. And we are moving down on that, right? The hidden divergence right now. No, send it to the wrong time scale, wrong time frame. And it's the move I was looking at here. There we go. So again, bearish divergence moving down. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high still. Neutral at 51.05. Let's go to that 4 hour. On that 4 hour, low, lower, negative, less negative. Like for reals, I think I'm gonna start buying projects that are worth, you know, what would be like 5 zeros and then some number, like 0.5 zeros and then some numbers of $1. I'm gonna start getting into some of those projects, throwing some, not a lot of money, but you know, whatever I don't mind really gambling away, because it's a freaking gamble. Neutral 55, 143, again, high to low, high to low and high to low. Nothing bearish right now. Strong bullish divergence. We're getting that action to the upside, hitting that 20 moving average and trying to break above it. For some reason, my fibs didn't come through. I gotta check why the fibs didn't come through. There we go. Let's go on that 1 hour chart. Again, low, lower, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. We did go highly oversold at 12.32, and now we're climbing back up, and now we're overbought. 0.18. Low to high, low to high, and low to high. Short term here, I gotta check. 169, 168, slightly less. We just say it's sideways motion, right? It's 0.01, not a lot. So we just say it's sideways motion and go and say, yo, weak bearish divergence. Again, if we pump more, we're gonna get rid of it. It's not really betting on this going down, right? So anyways, that's it for cream. Let's go to UMB, man. Where's the high card? Jesus guy saying he's shorting Ethereum. Yeah, I'm not sure, dude. He's like a broken clock. He's like right only a couple times a month, and he's always bearish on Ethereum. He's a perma bear, I think. Let's go to UMB. WETH, because that's the only one we have it with. So it's at 0.30 zeros and then 169 ways or whatever, right? So we are creating bullish divergence, right? Strong bullish divergence here on this move. Will it get us to go higher? Not yet. It's not the strongest divergence that I'm looking at. Ethereum is extremely bullish. So that, you know, Ethereum needs to stagnate for this to take over against Ethereum, right? So too bad we don't have a dollar pair to go with. It'd be nicer, but again, it's a strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. We should be aiming for that 20 at 3 zeros, 3 zeros, and then that'll be 237 ways. Let's go to the 4 hour. Oh, lower, negative, less negative, and yeah, it's fine, man. I mean, he's entitled to his opinion, man, right? Like, he can come in here and say, you know, the earth is flat, like, you know, whatever. It's all good. I'm not gonna, you know, argue with him on that. Whatever he wants to say, it's okay. Anyways, we have here bullish divergence, hidden bearish divergence, sorry, for potential action downside. Starting to move down. We are sold at 33.61. Again, not really a lot happening here with this. The earth isn't flat now. Lower, negative, more negative, lower still. Not high, nothing bearish right now. It's just below that 20. That's it, dude, right? Again, he probably would have done a lot better if he would just like listen to us and say, yo, Ethereum is extremely bullish. I'm not going to get bet against it. Still go higher. Like I told you, this hour was going to make all-time highs. Look at that, beautifully. Making all-time highs, almost reaching your target. The clouds, what are you talking about? The clouds are made of cotton, Brent. Don't you know? Anyways, that's what I'm looking at right now. This tracking onto there, that tracks onto there, and that bearish divergence is still there. Now it became strong, right? Keyword, what is up, dude? I think that's it. We've run through everything. It's been a slow day. We didn't have a lot of pre-stream requests. We're lacking on them likes. So if you haven't done it yet, guys, come on, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. You can also join us on Discord. Yeah. I wouldn't be betting against Ethereum right now. Ethereum is bullish. Ethereum is bullish, man. I'm waiting for me to be able to sell some XRP so that I can buy some other asset. You might be wondering, why, dude? Why you have XRP? You said you didn't have an XRP anymore. That is true. I had to buy XRP today because, you know, XRP is the cheapest to send through. I only paid 0 for sending it from my exchange to the exchange that I needed to get it to. So it cost me 0 to send XRP, and it happened to get there in seconds. It's just my sell hasn't triggered. I'm not gonna sell at market. I do believe I can get a better value for my money. And when I sell it, I'm gonna be buying one of those freaky weird like 5 zeros and then digit coins. I'm gonna be hunting those like bargains and try to get some of that, like, you know, 5x, 1000x, 50,000x action that a lot of these people in, like, you know, TikTok are getting. I'm one my $50,000 act, my 50x, my 50,000x target, right? Also, I'm not going to be going like in head deep into this coins. I'm probably going to be buying, you know, like $10, $20 tops. I just plan to buy like 10 projects, maybe at $20, or 20 projects at $10. I'm not going to be going crazy because first, I believe a lot of these projects I want to put money into are going to probably crash. And I don't want to be hunting, you know, to see what's going to be pumping. So I'm much rather just go get something and see how it's going to play. I think I'm going to get one of these dog name coins and probably a food name coin. Those seem to be doing hot. I'm not sure the food coins are still doing good.
ETH is killing it. Can you check on Feg?
Yo, Pixel, thank you very much for that. That is awesome.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That's great. Sure, we can check out that coin. Just don't be calling Brent names, please. He's gonna get mad. We'll check on FEG, man. MetaMoon is one of those, yeah. Thanks, man. I'm gonna have to find it. Goldie, that's awesome for you, man. By 20 tell like 2 months ago, yeah. Yeah, I know. Like, there's sometimes answer to anything you said. Like, yeah. Yeah, dude. Like, tell. Was that? No, it was another one that I gotten into. Like a lot of these projects, you don't want to put a lot because you're like, oh man, this project's probably gonna crash. And once you get, like, you know, your $1,000 out, your X amount of money out, you're like, oh damn, I should have put a lot more. But you know, you didn't do it for some reason, and you just gotta learn how to live with those calls and go with that, right? Anyways, let's see if we can find that coin, FEG. I think it's the WETH. It's also worth probably zeros. All right, so it's worth 0. It's pumping. Let's see, where else can we find this project at? Where else can we find this project at? Oh, Jesus, worth so little. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and then 213. This I would be willing to buy. Brand, we're not calling you right now. But see what I'm talking about? Like this, I wouldn't get because it's just on Uniswap, PancakeSwap, 1inch, and PancakeSwap. So for you to be able to buy this, it's gonna cost you an arm and a leg, right? You're gonna have to pay fees up the wazoo. So, damn, it looks cool, but I'm not gonna get it. We're gonna check it out though. We're gonna check out Brent Coin. It'll give you a new project. You buy 100, and you have like 700. That's awesome, dude. It's like third cousin from his mother's uncle's cousin side. That's how they related. It's going higher and higher. There's nothing bearish here. It's just got insanely high. It pumped 79% like last hour. Hasn't Prosser Dow? No. On Hotbit? It wasn't on Hotbit, dude. Low high, low high. Nothing bearish on daily. Again, higher, higher. There's nothing we can call here, right? There's nothing bearish. It's going insanely high. This is taking off. Yesterday, 190. Today, 70% again. I mean, some of this is like catching a bullet, right? For it to double, it's going to take a lot of strength already. And you're highly overbought. You just like are extremely exhausted on your MACD as well. So it's more likely to crash than it is to pump. Although at whatever price value it has, to be honest, it could really easily double or triple in value. It doesn't not gonna take a lot, right? On Hotbit, I haven't made a Hotbit account. Bitforex. See, the thing is, now I gotta figure out how to send more money to all those exchanges now. Because I'm gonna get spread too thin here. I missed on your request 2 times. I'm sorry, bro. Can you do it again? I've been trying to keep up with a lot of the chat. Akita. All right. Someone said VT. It's not coming as a proper request. Mark, yeah, if you need, you can put at the set of crypto if you want me to do an analysis. VT is cheap, but no, right now I want to get into some of these weird projects that are worth like, fractions of a cent, like a thousandth or millionth of a cent, right? That's the coins I want to get into. Not right now, Jack Proc. I'm not seeing that. It's not outside of the realm of possibilities. I'm just not seeing it as something that will happen right now. Ren, sure. So I already finished FEG. Someone said Prosser Dow. I just want to check how that one's doing because I'm not even sure where that is trading, or if it's even here. It's not here. Where's Prosser Dow at, dude? Where are we gonna find that? Where are we gonna find that? Not here either. It's not listed anywhere. It just came out 5 minutes ago, apparently, and it's like ripping a. All right, that's awesome. Let's go to Ren. Right, Ren. Not doing a lot. What is this? 1985, 196. So it's coming higher, coming slightly lower. Bearish divergence. That's about it. I mean, strong bearish divergence. It's not really doing a lot, am I? All right, it's struggling. It's struggling, man, to do something. All right, it cannot do anything. Neutral at 50.35. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. Low to high, low to high, low to high, high to low. All right, some hidden bearish divergence here on that 4-hour chart. All right, high low. Now in the short term, low, lower, negative. I'm gonna have to measure here. 1618, 1614, slightly less. So we are coming lower here. And we're going from negative to less negative. Don't have it against the RSI. So we had strong bullish divergence section up, so we're pumping, getting above that 20. High to low, high to low, and high to low. Neutral at 52.03. That's it. Let's go to that 1 hour chart, man. You prosper crypto. That's fine. I was like, I for real thought there was a coin called Prosser DAO. This is anything out there, man. So you think of a name, there's a coin with it, right? Particularly food related stuff. There's a food coin for everyone. Here on the mythical 1 hour chart, we have hidden bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. And we also have it against the RSI, right? Short term, strong bearish. From me to here, and from me to here. There it is. Just overbought it. Sorry, not overbought. Bought at 66.77. That is it for this. Let's go back to the ETH and check out its mightiness and its mighty pump. It's mighty pump of ETH. How the ETH doing, dude? You can buy Ethereum too. Nice. G-Ward, I am with you. May, you're crazy. I don't think a lot of people are going to like that. A lot of people might actually go into that. Who knows? A lot of people are kinky as hell. Ethereum, dude, hit our target already on this hour. Awesome. We wicked it. We wicked it. The magical and mythical 4618, and now we're rejecting it. We knew it was going to be a resistance. Come on. It might not be a resistance for long, though, right? Ultra TK, what is up? Any of you guys, I got questions. I got a couple questions. Any of you guys here play Minecraft? Or any of you guys here play, what is the other one? Amongst Us?
Could you take a look at OMG and BZX if possible? Thank you.
Yo, Arisha, thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. Legendary! That is awesome. We'll look at OMG. And, BZRX. Alright. No, I'm just asking about those two games. Either Minecraft or Among Us. There's something I want to do. I'm not sure yet. You play both but not a fun either. Alright. Alright. There's a fungus Among Us? I'm not sure. It's fun to play Among Us though. Too sus? Alright, yeah, that's a good game. Yo, no, I was asking because I was thinking about maybe we could do. I don't have Minecraft. I never played Minecraft. I'll be a complete noob there. But I was thinking about doing, like, you know, a State of Crypto gaming night where instead of, like, you know, streaming, we'll just all get together. I think Jake said he could host a server and Minecraft if we all want to play Minecraft, and we just play one night. You know, we can all be on voice chat on the Discord and playing Minecraft or whatever for a day. I was thinking about doing something crazy like that, or play Among Us or something else, right? We could, yeah, we'll see. Pick some good games. I'm not sure, man. I'm not much of a gamer anymore. I used to be a gamer a long time ago. Just have not been able to game a lot lately. Kids. Sakari, thank you very much, man. That's awesome. Thank you for being here.
What's up?
Yo, yeah, for reals, right? Right on, dude. Let's see. Which OMG did we look at? I think it was this one. This one's the one we look at. All right. Bearish divergence moving down. Nothing bullish. Neutral. Sorry, bought at 62.03. Let's go to that 4 hour because there's not a lot happening here. We're between that 100% and that 1618. High to low, high to low, and high to low. Nothing here. We had hidden bullish to here. That hidden bullish would track onto there. That would track to there, and this to here. And again, hidden bullish for action to the upside. Going up, hitting that 20, getting above it. Short term, it wouldn't be weird if we see some strong bullish divergence here on the 1 hour chart. Right now, the target would be at that 1618, and we'll still be below the previous high. I do believe we can reach that area, and that would be at $13.21 more or less. Right now, sitting at $12.09. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still. So nothing bullish here. Short term here, we do have something from here to here. From here to here. Right. Then we pumped, and then we're going low to high, high to low, and high to low. Strong bearish divergence developing here on the 1 hour chart. Not the best looking divergence, but it's there. It's barely there. And that could get us to go back down to that 20 moving average, right? Sitting bought at 62.70. That 20 moving average is sitting at 11.59. So it's about a 50-cent drop. And it wouldn't be weird if we go there. I don't think we're going to create anything hidden bullish or anything like that by going there. But, could be going there for support and try to pump, right? Yeah. Yeah. OMG is not looking that bad. BCRX, let's go check BCRX. Again, might hit that 20 pump. Again, it's doing okay. It has that bullish divergence. Now strong bearish is slightly there, but a lot of the market is bullish, so you don't want to bet against the trend, right? BCRX we haven't seen in a long time. We haven't seen since way back here. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Low to high, negative, more negative, all right. First things first. Divergence. Hidden bearish. Here we go, man. Ethereum, Bitcoin, sure, man. Thanks, Superman.
What's up?
SafeMoon, sure. Let's keep rolling, dude. Strong bearish divergence developing here, right? I just sucked at anchoring this so bad. It was a horrible anchoring, man. Again, low to high, negative, low to high, neutral at 49.48. Let's go on to that 4 hour chart, dude. On the 4 hour chart, low to high, low to high, low to high. More negative and lower still. Nothing bullish right now. We are neutral at 44.73. Low, lower, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and see what we have there, man. On the 1 hour chart, low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still. Nothing here. Here, shorter term, yes. There's some bullish divergence. Some bullish divergence for action to the upside.
Gaja Bing slaps bullish divergence. Bullish divergence friendly for everyone. Let's keep looking at charts.
High to low, high to low, and high to low. Dude, there was some hidden bearish divergence here. Let's just do something, man.
Bearish divergence be your enemy. Bearish divergence dark side. It'd be like the Sith.
Here we go. Right on, dude. From in here and from here to here, right? So yeah, slightly bearish, right? Strong bearish divergence on this last bit. Might put some pressure on that price, make you go to that 20. That 20 is sitting at 73.39 cents. Right now, sitting at 80.58. So it's not a big drop that we're looking at, like maybe 2-3 cents. Could try to go, is he not doing that voice? All right. Neutral 57.31. I'm not sure, dude. It just comes out whenever. Right, that's it for BZX protocol. Again, potential action to downside on that. On the daily bearishness, it could be that we're hitting that 20, rejecting on the 1 hour. We have that divergence again. It could make us go down a bit. Getting above that 20 would be bullish. Again, the rest of the market is bullish, so I would be a little bit more reserved and think that the bearish indicators might not play out as strong just because the rest of the market is bullish, right? Just consider that. That being said, let's do Ethereum to the corn. It's still pumping, dude. It's really not caring. It didn't form its handle. It was like, nope, I don't care about the handle. I don't care about the handle, man. I'm just gonna pump. I'm just gonna pump, buddy. And it just went up. It's going higher and higher. We're bought at 63.93. Not caring about that. It's just nothing bearish. Here on the 4 hour, we have some bearishness. Is it gonna play? Not sure, man. I don't think so. Ethereum's super bullish. Hell, Ethereum's still pushing all-time highs. Bitcoin's trying to recover to its previous high, I guess. We're bought at 76.23. Nothing bearish here. Just against the MACD, and that's strong bearish divergence. So again, potential fraction downside on the 1 hour chart. We had the divergence here. We had the divergence. Don't know what's gonna happen with it. Hello, and then from here, right? Move down. Low to high, negative, more negative, right? Heading bullish. Pumping at that. Heading bullish. Be our friend, right?
Jacob being said so. Bullish divergence be your friend.
And then here we're going from here to here and here to here. So for more strong bearish divergence, for potential action downside, we bought at 71.65. Again, Ethereum to Bitcoin is looking for a moving down against, right? Meaning Bitcoin should be getting on Ethereum. I'm just not sure that's gonna be the case right now because Ethereum's bullish as hell. Come on, Ada. This one's a SafeMoon. SafeMoon.
Miss I had Jacob next match. Betcha.
Why SafeMoon, dude? Why? Who wants SafeMoon? It's worth a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the price I'm looking at, but it's too expensive right now. SafeMoon already pumped twice, so I'm not sure it's gonna moon again. Will it moon again? Where exchange can we look at this? Gate.io. All right, let's go check it. Risk warning. Safe has a percentage transaction fee that for each on-chain transaction. We'll charge an extra 10% withdrawal fee to cover the deposit collection cost. What? I've read and agreed the rules. Damn you thieves. Taking my money. Like tips and denied. Can you guys see this whole screen? I'm not sure. Deck screws what I let use. Right on, dude. Double B, what is up? A lot of things are up right now. Ethereum's up. Ethereum's doing freaking magical. All right, so the SafeMoon. Bearish divergence, action downside, strong bearish. We're moving down on that. Low to high. Negative, less negative. And here also low to high against the RSI. We're neutral. at 41.01. With that said, let's get to the 4-hour chart, I guess. Lines we've drawn have stayed there somewhat. Let's get rid of this. This one and this one I don't care much for. And I guess this one and this one I don't care much for either. That's some old stuff line, those there. Low to high, high to low, and high to low, right? Strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. That's what's happening right now. Look at that move. Look at that divergence. It is there. We're neutral at 48.34. On that note, let's go to the daily. And if you guys play Mortal Kombat 11, can you let me know if it's good? I've seen the movie. I liked it. And I was like, oh, man, I remember when I used to play Mortal Kombat. That was pretty cool. And I'm like, oh, man, I'm not sure if I should buy Mortal Kombat or not. I wasn't sure if it's good or not. And I'm not sure how much space it takes on a desktop. So, let me know if you played Mortal Kombat 11. I'm curious. It's good. Oh, dude, awesome. What do you play it on, Erdex? I was looking at it on Steam, and they have the full, I don't know what edition. I think it's the ultimate edition or whatever, and it comes with everything. So I'm not sure. Hank says, heck yeah. Awesome. Let me you guys know while I go back and get some water, all right? Let me know your thoughts on Mortal Kombat 11. Hit the like button, sub, join us on Discord. I'll be right back. I'm back. Sorry for going away for a second. Well, I was out. The wife did the awesome thing of to connect, right? Which is awesome. Awesome mint tea. You have it on PC? Oh. Erdax, dude. I might get that so I can play with you someday. Definitely want to play. I'm not. Can you play with your PS4 controller if you connect it? I know you could play Dragon Ball Kakarot with your PS4 controller if you connected it to your PC. So I'm not sure. I'm thinking about it though. I'll show you something today. I ate something amazing. So I'll show you here real quick. This was for lunch today. I'm not sure you can see it though. It's gonna take a bit to. There we go. That was lunch. It was tasty. I haven't had like a good tomahawk in a while, so cooking it, it was very nice. It was so nice inside, dude. So it doesn't turn. There you go, guys. He's not focusing a second. Ah, it was so nice and juicy. It was tasty. I want to eat it again if I could. You use a controller? Yes, that's awesome. I might get that. Who knows? Let's we could do you know, also a gaming net where we just fight each other on Mortal Kombat 11. That'll be awesome. Buy yourself a custom fighting game controller. What is that, dude? Pardon me for being rude. I have no clue what that is. I'm starting to sound like a gaming noob. What is it? What is the custom fighting game control? Like, I guess it's what the name sounds like, so I'm not sure, man. I'm just, you know. What's a custom one, dude? Young Pridgeon, I agree, but maybe not for fighting games, dude. Superman, you're fasting? I'm sorry about that, man. I am allowed to eat. Yeah, dude. I use, you know, Kakarot was also good with the mouse and, sorry, with the controller than with the mouse and keyboard. It was a little bit better, I guess. All right, I see what you're talking about. Yeah. All right. So like an arcade style setting, right? Right. I don't think you have as many buttons as you would on a regular controller. But it looks cool. I mean, if you could use arcade style stuff, that would be awesome. Yeah, that'll be cool. You can get it with more buttons. All right. I thought there were just like 6 buttons or 8 buttons. Really? All right. I thought you were using like, you know, more buttons. So I'm not even sure, dude. Right. I mean, first I gotta get a laptop, right? I'm not gonna be buying any kind of weird joystick until I buy a laptop. That's like priority, because I really need that for the stream. So I'm just, you know, it would be nice. Yeah, it would be definitely nice to get something like that to play later on. The game is like 90 gigs. Oh, geez, that's pretty sizable. That's a pretty chunk. Server kill, yeah. I know. I'm not gonna play competitive. I might not even play past story mode, which I heard is like freaking 4 to 7 hours long. That's kind of cool. That means I'm never gonna finish it. I don't have time to finish that. I don't even have time to make daytime videos anymore. Oh, geez, May wants to duel. All right. May, I don't have coin. Woo, I won. Right, what else are we going to look at? I think we've gone through everything you guys requested so far. There's the fighting game. All right, I got it. That's going to take a pretty amount of time also to download, I guess. And install. Cody? Sure, why not? Yeah, you weren't. Why not? It just got requested twice, so we'll do it. Bearish divergence, action downside, low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, nothing here. Neutral at 52.05. On the daily, it is fine. Nothing happening here. It's trying to bounce above that 2618 to the previous 100% that we were counting for here, which is probably now outdated because we now have this high here and this low, so we should be looking at different fibs. But, it can still work. We'll just fix them right now. Let's refib this. That'll be our high. And then our low would have to fib the other way, actually. High to low. There we go. There it is. We're getting above that 382 and heading for the 50%. It looks a lot better now. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. Oh, lower, negative, less negative, high to low. Right, some strong bullish divergence developing here in the Cody. Yo, Cody, what's up, man? Yeah, some kid's gonna be named Cody after a while, I guess. Not Cody, but Cody, right? The letter T, man. Getting that action to the upside, hitting that 50% retrace, rejecting it a little bit. Not the end of the world, not too bad, actually, and that's fine. 50% rejecting slightly neutral at 57.96. Let's go to that 1 hour, man. Sure. In the Silica. High to low, low to high. Low to high as well, right? So hidden bearish divergence starting to develop here on Cody, right? Potential action to downside might move down, and probably the reason that we're rejecting that 50% retrace, we might be going through that 382 or whatever it is that we're hitting on the daily. I can't remember. I seem to have double fibs, so we might go down to that 382 here. So on the 4 hour, I have different fibs. Might be doubling up on fibs here. Yeah. So I'm gonna get rid of this ones here because they're really cluttering this. We're just gonna go with this one. I think this ones are the one from the daily. That's fine. Let's go to the 1 hour chart again. Hitting some rejection. It's all good. And that's it for Cody. Let's go to Silica again. Potential action and downside, right? We might try to find support here at the 382 at 35.89. 35.89 cents. Let's go to Silica. Silica at 22.04. Let's see this, man. What is Silica doing? Seems to be stagnating right now. A lot of tightness on the Bollinger Bands. High to low. High to low. Low to high. Right, some hidden bearish. First thing I'm noticing, hidden bearish divergence. And we're rejecting the previous high on the short terms. Let's keep this on the daily. And let's draw this line here. From here to here. Now we're moving down to that. Find support at that 618 and trying to bounce back up. That's okay. We are neutral at 54.82. Let's go to that 4 hour chart. On that 4 hour chart, high to low, and high to low. Low, lower, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. Neutral at 49.03. Not a lot happening here. Let's go to that. Sorry, let me go back to the 4 hour. I might have missed something here. Low to high and then negative to more. Oh, yeah, there we go. I did miss something here. And notice it as I was changing charts that, I missed this hidden bullish divergence. There we go. Let's go to the 1 hour. High to low. High to low and high to low. That's it. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still. There's nothing else happening here. Even here, high to low. Oh, now we're going sideways. All right. Now here, we're starting. Oh, what was that? No, cancel, escape. There we go. Going sideways here, and now we're coming down here like this, and that would be creating medium bearish divergence. And as soon as we start to go slightly higher, we're going to start creating strong bearish divergence, right? So we're waiting for something to happen. We're very tight on those Bollinger Bands. We could be getting an explosive move. That would be kind of cool, actually, to get an explosive move here. Let's go do the ETH. Let's see where ETH is at. New all-time high. Great, it just keeps on pushing higher, dude. It's beautiful. It's doing great. Right on, dude. Not too bad. Looks like H-bar such an underperformer, yeah. We've been live for about an hour and 30 minutes. At least the stream didn't crash today. Cross my fingers. I'm not gonna wood. I had to reset everything before the stream started. Even that rebooted the routers. I think that did the trick. Maybe they were overloaded from the day activities, right? So who knows? I think that's gonna be it. No one else has any other requests before I have room for one more coin. That's it. If not, I gotta go coin hunt for cheap coins. Sure, why not? Even if it doesn't come as proper request, we'll do Chromia. Whatever, man. CHR came first. CHR came first, Carmen. Sorry, man. I'll do XRP also, right? I don't think it's gonna be that hard. Yeah. Toy Wolf, what's up? Already filled the last 2 spots, man. Actually, it was 1, and I'm already gonna do the second one, so we'll see. All right. Charizard, where the Charizard at, man? Bearish divergence, moving down, low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, nothing here. Neutral at 50.25. Again, sideways motion, still stuck between that 382 and that 50% retrace. Trying to get above that 20, not too bad on the 4-hour chart. We were looking for that cup and handle. We're breaking that handle, dude. We're no longer in this pattern. This move, it's at risk. I think it might not play out. We're breaking that, and it looks like we might actually be going for it now. Something that might look like a double bottom if it just keeps on dropping, right? So we just gotta wait. That cup and handle we're looking for no longer there. This bullish divergence did manage to get us higher. Sadly enough, low, lower, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. So nothing bullish. Trying to climb back up, regain its area, but you know, high to low, and high to low here. Nope. Hidden bearish divergence. That's what it has here. Again, sadly enough, not really doing anything with strength right now for Chromia. That might make it go down again. We are neutral at 52.05 again. Just watch out for Chromia. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we had that bullish divergence, pumped at that, right? High to low, high to low, and high to low. Nothing bearish. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low, lower still. High to low, high to low, and high to low. Short term, strong bearish divergence here. A low to a higher point here, or to a higher high. So let's go here on the 1-hour chart. We just need this to be on the 1 hour. There we go. Then high to low, right? Strong bearish divergence. Potential flexion and downside. We could be moving down on that. Might be hitting for that 20 moving average at 32.21 cents. Right now, seeing at 33.81 cents. So about 1 cent drop. That is it for Chromium. Let's go for XRP. Amay, what's up? I'm gonna do XRP, then I'll check out whatever Bitcoin's trying to do, right? XRP at 1.53. I'm waiting on XRP to get above 1. What was my target for XRP? 1.54, I think. That's where I want to sell. You gotta check. Oh. Either I got logged out or did I just trigger a sell? Why is this not an XRP? Oh, here it is. No. My XRP at 1.5418. Yeah. Waiting for XRP to go there, man. And if I get greedy, I might cancel my sale and up it to, 145 or whatever, dude. Or 155. Whatever. It just keeps on climbing, right? If it looks like it might go bullish, I might just stop my position and try to rebuy it at a higher level. Which it looks like it might try to go. So I'm just going to get out of the queue and cancel that. Just cancel the sell. Lucky discussion after stream. Sure, man. Hi to low. What is this, dude? So high to low and low to high, right? There's some kind of hidden bearish divergence here. It's just very tiny, man. That's what's putting that pressure on the price. You're not really letting you go higher right now. It could still go higher, right? It could not care about it and go slightly higher. But right now we have this, and we can keep on tracking it as we go higher, and that'll be fine. We're just bought at 62.83 for XRP. Someone said something about the corn. Now I'm just gonna do recaps, man. Who came in here and asked for something? Lena, Toy Wolf, man. I already went through like 20 plus coins, so we can do Lena tomorrow if you request it. You know. Yeah, I'm not sure. Did we do ADA today? I don't think we did. You know. The corn, is Bitcoin trying to break a resistance, you said, right? A line resistance. It could be. Let me go to this chart here real quick. Might be a little bit better to look at this. Yeah, it could be that we're trying to break that resistance line I just drew, right? Some resistance there on the upside. Yep. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to break. He's gonna try to break it. 57,441. Ethereum. It's trying to go again. Sure, man. Thanks, Dolby. 8 at $1.80. Yeah, it's not looking bad. I mean, I'm not gonna do analysis on it. I'm just gonna check it real quick. That's it. It's a new all-time high closing. That's fine. 4-hour chart. Also doing all-time high closing. Still bearish divergence because it's going higher and coming lower here. I'm not gonna draw lines for it, right? High to low, low to high, high to low, and bearish divergence here also, right? That's it. I win retail FOMO face. Not yet. I don't think retail still jumped in 100%. But we haven't seen that next Bitcoin pump. And a lot of people are hearing more about alts than Bitcoin. That's a little bit, I think that's a sign that it's some sort of alt season right now. Because a lot of more people are hearing about Doge than, any of the alt projects, right? You ask them about, XRP, Ethereum, XLM, whatever. They don't know that, but you tell them Doge, and yeah, they heard about that. So I do believe we're in some kind of alt phase. Anyways, guys, it's gonna be it for tonight. Gonna call it a stream. What are we doing here, man? Can I go just leave it on the Ethereum chart because we're gonna be happy looking at Ethereum. Trying to go to 4,300. I'm gonna wait, man. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see if Ethereum can get to 4,300. Why not? It's just $8. Can it do it? Can Ethereum get there, man? Can Ethereum get there? Yeah, no worries, guys. I'm gonna stay for a second, man. Mark, Toy, Wolf. I just want to see if Ethereum can get there, man. Now it's $7. Can it pump more? Can I get it? Can I get it at 4,294, please? Someone, please give me a. Oh no, it's pulling back. No, don't go down. Go the other way. Go the other way. Pump more. If it drops below this line again, I'm gonna end the stream and then we'll get to check it out tomorrow. But I do believe we're gonna try to go slightly higher still. Hotboxing says 5,000 easy at this point right now. Maybe, dude. Yeah, I'm not rolling it out like I said. Right, small targets. After this happens, Now we're going to have to find new targets to the upside. We can get short-term targets to the upside on Ethereum, and that'll be going from here to here, right? Look at that. Boom. We just got new targets on Ethereum on the 1 hour. Great. I just need them to be like these. Watermelons. Thank you very much for being here, man, and following.
Thank you very much.
Okay, and we'll just extend it like that. There we are. Getting targets to the upside, boss. There we go. Any thoughts on SafeMoon? I would say be careful. I think I already did SafeMoon earlier. I just don't have it on an actual exchange. I think I had to go to some weird exchange to get it. I think it was here. SafeMoon, yes. Nothing on the daily. 4 hour. Low to high, high to low, high to low. Bearish divergence strong. Action downside. Starting to move down. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low. About the same. So nothing bullish right now. And then on the 1 hour chart, low to high, high to low. Again, bearish divergence strong against the MACD. Low to high, negative, less negative still, and low to high. So nothing bullish right now either, right? That's what's happening there. All right, now we have targets up to 5,456. Yes, 5,000 it is within the realms of its reach. If it starts to go, for that now new 1618 at 4,391. Yes, this could be new targets for Ethereum, right? Awesome. Philip, what is up? Oh, Philip, dude, if the market stays bullish, sure. If the market starts stagnant or go bearish, then we might start to see some stagnation happening. I do believe Ethereum's still bullish enough, though. EOS, I'm not sure. We didn't do it today. I already closed the request. I was about to finish the stream. I'm just waiting for Ethereum to get to 4,200. That's going to be it. No sound? Oh, no problem. Sound. Awesome. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. I'm not sure. We can check that out real quick, though. I'm not going to do analysis on it. I'm just going to check it out, right? Oh, there we go. 4,300. There you go. Bitcoin really pumping now? Well, I'm going to go check it in a second, man. Let's go EOS first. See if it broke all-time highs. I know people are worried about the EOS. Did we do EOS today? I don't think we did EOS today. We didn't do EOS, no. Right on. Yeah, it's going higher. It has bearish divergence here in the short term. It did take a nice pump. I'm not sure if it's at all-time highs. Again, short term here, right? Low to high, high to low, and high to low. Again, I'm not going to draw the lines. I'm just pointing it out to you where I'm seeing that. Low to high, high to low, and high to low, right? Strong bearish divergence on the 4 hour as well. It's trying to come back down to that 4618. And then on the daily, we don't have anything. On the daily, strong bearish divergence here, sorry. Low to high and high to low, right? So EOS has strong bearish divergence. Is it getting all-time highs? On this chart, it is doing all-time highs. I'm not sure if in another chart we're not there yet. We haven't. All-time highs for EOS are over here at $23.24. Right now, $13. Still has ways to go, right? The corn. What is happening with the corn, man? Is it really pumping hard? 1.66% on the daily, 1 hour chart. Yeah, it's starting to run. It's okay. Not crazy. It's okay. I'm more excited about Ethereum, to be honest. Ooh, look at it go. Look at it go, man. Buy Hattori Inu better than Doge. Next 100x. Buy it now on Uniswap. Dude, I'm not going to buy anything on Uniswap. Light, thanks for the recommendation. It's not that I don't want to buy anything on Uniswap. The freaking fees are so expensive. I cannot force my hand to buy something when it's going to cost me a nut and an arm and a leg so that I can buy a project that I'm not really sure if it's going to pump or not. I would rather buy it on the exchange right now, particularly with the super expensive gas fees, right? Yeah. Oh, snap. There we go.
Glad to see you back again. My ETH is steady strong. How's that algo doing?
Yo, thank you very much for that, Frank.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate that. Yeah, we can check out Algo, man. Haven't done it today. Just give me 1 second. What? I'm just checking Ethereum running. I already hit all major retraces that we had on here. That 4618. We're done. Now we have new potential moves to the upside, right? Yeah, I guess Ethereum is just so expensive. I just wouldn't buy it, right? Let's Algorand. Let's Algorand. Algo $1.49. Let's get on that daily for Algo, man. Do we just have the one Algo chart? Yes. Hidden bullish divergence. Nothing here. High to low. Low to high. Hidden bearish. First things first, right? Let's move here. And then, right here. Hidden bearish, moving down on that, going for that 20, already hit it, bouncing, trying to get above that 786, getting above that 786, and now we're going to try to get for that previous 100% at $1.72, right? 100% on this, what I have drawn here on Fibs. Your Luna's going up, that's awesome. Get nothing here, neutral at 55.34. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. High to low, and high to low. Neutral at 53.31. Nothing here on the bearishness on the 4-hour. Low to high, low to high, low to high. Nothing here. Low to high, negative, more negative. All right, hidden bullish. You're right, Frank. I am back. I'm back every day, man. Hit the bullish, action to the upside, getting above about 20, find support, trying to bounce. Again, might still go higher. There's nothing bearish here yet. Could easily try to go for that $1.72 mark. And I forgot the anchor stuff on the 4-hour. Or the daily, I think. The daily, I forgot the anchor. Here we go. It's easy when I just anchor here on the day. There we go. Right. Low, lower, low, negative. Hesitant there. I'm just going with this move here. It's a little bit more modest, but it still serves as bullish divergence. Because from way back there where I was looking at, it was looking a little bit dodgy. So with this and here also, right? Strong bullish. Actually, the upside. It's the same effect. I was trying to find something here, but this is one island, and here it's 0.01317. 122, so it's definitely less negative, right? And we're coming in lower, less negative. That would be strong bullish divergence also, and that was the move I was looking for, right? That, and then from here, but I was a little bit more hesitant to look at this one. Here we have it against the RSI also, so we're getting that nice move to the upside. Here we did move up, hit that 786, rejected, created that bullish divergence again, and pumped. Now high to low, low to high, hidden bearish. Right, action to the downside. We did move down slightly, didn't quite hit that 20. That wouldn't be the move I would have looked for. It hit that 20 moving average. We had just this here, and now we're going slightly higher, and it starts to create this small triangle that we sometimes see where we're doing something against the MACD and then something against the RSI, right? Slightly higher, high to low, and then here we're going right here, and from here to here, right? That's it. There's some bearish patterns. Strong bearish against the MACD, hidden bearish against the RSI. With that, some possibility for action to downside. That move could get us to that 20 moving average. That 20 moving average sitting at $1.44. Algorand sitting at $1.49. Not too bad for Algo. Let's check out Bitcoin still pumping at 57,853 again. Trying to do good. Trying to go and break. Yeah, we're breaking that line now for sure. All right, so bring that line that we drew on this here chart. Was it this chart? Dude, what chart did we draw that line on? Did I delete it? I think I deleted it. That's why it's not here. And then on ETH, we're still pumping. Dude, we're still pumping. 4,351. Ethereum is going insane, man. How's Bitcoin daily MACD looking? It wasn't that bad. At least I don't think it was that bad. Were we like neutral or something? Yeah, we're neutral. At 53.30, right? It's still pointing up, still doing good. Could basically take off from here, go overbought and make new all-time highs if it wanted to. Remember what I said, we need to go higher. Otherwise, we might be confirming here a local top, and then be high, a lower high, and then we'd be confirming lower highs, and that would not be good. That is it, dude. Again, let's go to Ethereum on the 1 hour, man. Ethereum doing so good, man. If I wake up and Ethereum is at, like, 4,500, I'm gonna be like stoked. I'm gonna be super happy. It's gonna be insane if it is up there, man. Let's do this, man. Frank, dude, thank you very much for the kind donation. Arisha, thank you very much for your donation. Pixel IFX, thank you very much for your donation. John Lopez, thank you very much for your donations, guys, today. I really, really appreciate them. It is awesome that you support this channel with your kind donations, and also with your likes, guys. Come on, hit them likes, hit the bells, hit them subs. If you haven't done it yet, do those awesome things, and also join us on the Discord, right? So many quadrillions. It looks like it's nearly ready to go. Yeah. Elon, I'm about to sign off. You caught me towards the end of the stream. I've been live for almost 2 hours now. 1 hour and 52 minutes. And I just stayed because, Ethereum was going to go up. Thanks, man. I appreciate it, Ho Wolf. Lick that smash button. Yes. Lick that smash like and bell. Wow. Lick. That's what you wrote. That's what Frank wrote. It's all good. Guys, it's been a blast being here. There's stuff I gotta do. I still gotta a meeting with the mods. There's something we gotta fix. And look at that Ethereum going, man. 4,354. It's beautiful, man. I love the smell of Ethereum at night. I'm not sure. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like button, sub. Join us on Discord. Links has been posted. It's been posted on top of the chat. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas and talking about the charts, and it's for learning purposes and education and entertainment. Sometimes entertainment, sometimes education, sometimes both. Guys, that being said, thank you for coming tonight. It's a pleasure hosting this show on this awesome, what is this today? Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday night. It just feels like it's already Thursday for some reason. And with that being said, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto, guys. Until then,